morning students, myself Anup Kumar and it is my first video of this week and first video of this chapter also. So students, what we will discuss today, this is three-dimensional figures. In three-dimensional figure we have already discussed in the previous chapter, that is solid, cube, cuboid, cylinder. So today students we will discuss some more solids figure, okay, and their properties also. Today we will discuss about the prism and pyramid properties. So let's start the class dear. Okay, now at first we will start with introduction. Okay, what is solid? Object having fixed shape and size and occupying fixed space are called solids. Okay dear. And what is prism? Prism is also a solid. So which has two faces are parallel plane polygons and the side faces are rectangle is called a prism. There are many types of prism here. So the first type of prism is triangular prism. It is made up of two parallel in faces, each one of which is a triangle, two triangular faces and three lateral faces which is called rectangle. You can see this figure here. You can see here two triangular faces DEF and ABC and three lateral faces. Okay, we will elaborate this figure in the next slide here. Okay, let's see here. So now you can see here dear, this is the figure. Okay, now you can see faces. It has two triangular faces DEF and ABC and three lateral faces ACDF, ABDE and BCFE. These are the three rectangular faces. Okay dear. Now vertex, you can see it has six vertex ABCDEF. Okay, and what will be the edges? 9 edge. AB, AC and BC on triangular, DE, DF and EF on triangular again, and CF, AD, BE. Okay, these are the 9 edges. Okay students. Now let's see here that about the note. You can see a cuboid is also called a rectangular prism. This is also called a rectangular prism because two triangular faces and three rectangular faces. So we can also say it rectangular prism. Okay students, so I hope that you all have understood. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Now students, here you can see pyramid. What is pyramid? A pyramid is also a solid figure, but here base is a plain linear figure and whose side faces are triangles having a common vertex, and it has many types like square pyramid, rectangular pyramid and triangular pyramid. Let's discuss about this. At first, square pyramid. Solid whose base is a square and side faces are triangles is called square pyramid. You can see in this figure here. Let's first discuss introduction. So you can see this figure here. This is the square pyramid. You can see the base is a square, and you can see if we will join a line from each vertex of the square, then all the vertex if we will join at O, okay, then this figure is called square pyramid. Okay, now you can see a vertex. It has 5 vertex. You can see 5 vertex A, B, C, D on a square and O here. Okay, then faces. It has 5 faces. A, B, C, D, one square face. Okay, A, B, O triangular face, B, C, O triangular face, C, D, O triangular face and A, D, O also a triangular face. Okay, edges. It has 8 edges. 4 on square A, B, B, C, C, D and A, D. Okay, and here triangular sides A, O, D, O, C, O and B, O. 8 edges. Okay dear. Now the next figure is rectangular pyramid. Solid whose base is a rectangle and side faces are rectangle. It's called rectangular pyramid. Rectangular pyramid is also we can say that looks like a square pyramid. Okay, you can see here in this figure. You can see this is rectangular base A, B, C, D. Okay, and these are the sides. Okay. So vertex, it has again 5 vertex, same as a square pyramid, A, B, C, D and O. And faces, it has 5 faces, A, B, C, D, rectangular face, then A, D, O triangular, C, D, O triangular, B, C, O triangular and A, B, O is also a triangular. Okay. Now it has again 8 edges, 4 on rectangle and 4 on triangular side. AB, BC, CD and DA or AD, and AO, DO, CO and BO. Okay dear. So I hope that you all have understood rectangular pyramid also. Now students, triangular pyramid. We can also say tetrahedron. A solid whose base and side faces a triangle. All. Okay, then it is called triangular pyramid. Okay, so you can see here dear, this is the triangular pyramid. This A is looking like that it is inside of this triangle, but no, it is above. So we can say that this, if we will draw a triangular base OBC, okay, and if it will touch at O, then it will be BA, CA and OA. Okay, so students, vertex will be 4 vertex A, B, C and O, and faces, it has 4 triangular faces A, B, C. Okay, then AOC, AOB and triangle OBC. Okay dear. Now it has 6 edges AB, BC, AC, AO, BO and CO. Okay students, so I hope that you all have understood triangular pyramid also, that is tetrahedron. Okay. Now students, you have to do some assignment work, okay, because I have already explained all the types of figures. Okay, in next class we will also discuss some more points here. Okay, so in RS Sarwal book you have to do some assignment work, that is in exercise 19A. You have to solve question number 1 to 5 and you have to learn the properties of Bridgman pyramid. Okay students, so thank you.